Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, this is Tom, and this is Thomas. Today, Team Winner want to tell you how to make lemonade. First is ingredient. Ingredient we have a pitch of water, a cup of sugar, towel, lemon, knife, and spoon.
Step 1. Knife. Cut the lemon in half.
Step 2 is squeeze the lemon into the pitch. As I asked the sugar in the bush. Step 4 is put the ice into the pitch. Let's enjoy. What do you think about the lemonade?
The name is so good.
It is the end. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.